Alright guys, so this actually happened. As y'all can see, Ferrari F40 right here behind me. We had that Audi A8 posted on Craigslist, and the guy actually came through and said, "You want to trade for Ferrari?" We thought he was just kidding. And it turns out he wasn't kidding. Of course, y'all can see it's not a real Ferrari, but it's a kit car. So this is gonna be our next project. We're gonna probably take an LS motor and put it in here with a manual transmission and redo the interior. So this is gonna be our next build. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be pretty dope. So our next step is probably to find a wrecked Corvette and just go with the build. So we'll show you guys what we do with it. But here's a little walk around video of the car so you guys can see what it looks like, what it's gonna look like. Awesome Nissan 300ZX headlights. Woo! Glass, that's quality right here. So, I mean, it needs some love, but it's got a lot of potential. It's definitely gonna be a fast car once it's done. It's on a Pontiac Fiero chassis and engine still.